Hi everyone, I'm Salva, one of the developers of the EDDA library, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Miniconda. Okay, so let's start. First we have to go to the Miniconda website. You will find the link in the description and download the installer for your operating system. If, like me, you have chosen to download the Bash installer, you have to open a terminal at the file's location. Remember to set the execution permissions. Once the file has the proper permissions, you will be able to run it typing // and the name of the file. Now you press enter to continue, read the user license agreement. You have to go to the end of the file in order to agree by typing yes. Now you set the location where Miniconda will be installed. Wait a little bit for the installation to complete, and that's all. In my case, it gave me an error because I have already installed the Miniconda package, but don't worry. So that's all. I hope you like it, and see you on the next video.